For that, we need uh, two things: set a webhook and the uh, authentication token. So for that, we have to set up Meta app. Okay, so we will go to developers.facebook.com/apps. Here we will create a Meta app here, right? Click on create app name. I say test app for video. Next, use cases. I select others. Other next. Select app type business. Next. Okay, there is a things for your review. You can review the changes here. Okay, create app. Okay, so app is created. Okay, so here we scroll down in the products. Like we have to set a webhook. We click on the setup here. So this will be used in our next step, right? So first of all, we will create access token. So for that, you have to go to your business portfolio. Business portfolio, in this you have you can connect your Instagram account and your pages together, right? So this is a page I'm going to use tiny cuteness name here for the testing purpose, right? This is the page and also connected to Instagram. Alright. If I go to setting, okay, so setting, after that I will go to system users, and here we will create a system user. I already have created a one system user, right? So there will be option to create system user, and you can assign assets to them. Like I assign full access of my page and the Instagram account that is attached to the business portfolio, right? After that, I go to the apps, and I will attach app ID here, add connect an app ID. So app ID will be found in the app we have created. You can see here I copy the app ID and pasting. Okay, so our app is connected. So here is our app. Assign access. I will assign access to the user. Right, full access. Assign. Done. Okay. After that, I will go to the system user. Okay, we can see the app here, right? Full control of app. So here we have to create a generate token. Okay, here we have to select the permissions, right? So there are multiple permissions. So according to your choice, you can assign permissions. After assigning permission, click on generate token, and you can see a token here. Click to copy and done. So we have token here. So I'm saving it here in the notepad. Okay, so this will be used in the next part, right? So next part is setting a webhook. In this, we will go to Meta app, and right here we will select before we have to publish this app. After that, I click on live, so our app will be live. Okay, so in the product section we will go to the webhook, and here we have to set up a webhook. For the select product we need to select Instagram and the callback URL. The our webhook URL. Okay, for that we have to verify the webhook, right? There will be the webhook URL. Verify token. You can write anything here. Like guys, I say, let's say anything. You can write anything here, right? So before verifying and save, we have a tiny workflow here. Copy the webhook URL, and the next one node is a respond with text, and response body is, you can see the expression, right? Okay, set to the and the respond, set to using respond to webhook node. Okay, listen for test event. Okay, I have to execute workflow, or verify and save. Okay, our webhook is verified. You can see here. Okay, so let's deactivate this. We don't need this one. Okay, we will go to webhooks again and select product permissions, and oh, sorry, select Instagram, and here you can see webhook is now set up, and we can see the fields that webhook trigger on, right? So I will select only their comments, right? So webhook will be triggered on the comments. Okay. Next part, we can test here, test it too, right? So we have a webhook, simple webhook node. It is set to the post and listen for test event. If I go to the app and send to the server, we can see response here. Means our webhook is fully set up, right? So next part is like assigning permissions to the app for trigger on comments. Like this one is the app. This one is the app gave permission to the webhook that it can send information to the this webhook URL, right? But to the app we don't have permission to app to access the real-time comments, so it can send to that webhook URL. For that we have to go to Graph API Explorer. Okay, and this we have to set method post, and here will be the our page ID. We will go to the business portfolio and pages. You can see here the page ID. Copy it and go to the Graph API Explorer and paste it and slash subscribe apps. So basically we are assigning permission to the app, like it can trigger on these events, like it have permission to for these events. For parameter we will add subscribed field value. In here we can add value like feed. In this feed it have multiple permissions on like on comment and other feed related events, right? So we need a access token here. The one we have created, we will use that one. Okay. Okay. For user or page, we have page access token. The page we have selected, so we can assign. Okay. If I click enter, okay, this one is the subscribed field, right? Okay, subscribe. Sorry, I subscribed field. We can see that it's true. If I we have to check, we simply go to the get and check. So it have permission to the feed, right? Okay. So we have assigned the permission. Let's check on in a real time, right? So this is a webhook. I listen for test event. Okay. So this is the Instagram post, I say, right? So let me comment on it through my mobile. Okay, I have comment on this. Let me refresh this, and we can see here. Okay, and this is not exactly okay. Let's see. Okay, I said test comment. So we are listening for that even. So we can see here that comment and the username. You can see it, right? So the webhook is trigger right now. So next functionality we already explained that how it will work, right? So this is the setup, guys. In this we have to set up authentication token. For that we will use generic credential type and query, and here we will create a token. Here the name is the access token and the value will be the token here. Yes, this one. Okay, click on save. I rename it to the test credentials, right? Okay, save. Okay, same for the next node. We will simply select that. Okay. If it's a negative review, it will be sent to the on the Slack for the information. Like there is a negative review detected from this user, so the author can take action against that. Like if I had to reply in your own words, or if want to delete, or like that, anything. Right? If a spam comment, it will simply skim like someone say comment visit my profile or like that. It's like that. It will be skipped, right? That's all.